Come to career point. Here is internship opportunity from the Amazon company. Software development engineer 6 months internship 2025. The student need to attend physically offline internship it is. So by applying this to your application will be considered for all locations we hire for in India. This includes but is not limited to Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai and Pune. Duration times full time it is 40 hours per week for 24 consecutive weeks, 6 months. So it starts date between July to December 2025 as per the university academic framework. So you have to see all these details, and if it is useful for you, you can apply for this opportunity. And the basic qualifications, so you should be good at OOD, operating systems, algorithm, data structures and complexity analysis, knowledge of C, C++, Python, Java, Perl. Preferred qualifications is BTech in computer science student. So if you are eligible for this opportunity and interested to get into Amazon company, then you can apply for this job. Link is provided in the description box, and also you can share to your friends and like the video for better reach. Thank you all.